of these dangling disasters?
They're for Valentine's Day, boss.
Don't tell us you forgot!
Okay, I won't tell you.
I think he forgot.
I didn't forget. I simply couldn't care less about Valentine's Day. People laughing and hugging and showing how much they care for each other. No, thank you.
It's for you, boss.
For me? Dear Hacker, roses are red, giants are tall, you're the best and greatest of all. Your secret admirer.
Wow, a secret admirer? Who is it, boss?
I don't know. That's why they call it a secret admirer.
Well, who do you think it is? I mean, there aren't too many people who like you.
Why, thank you, Buzz.
What you doing, boss?
I know, you're trying to figure out who your secret admirer is.
I most certainly am not. But if I wanted to, I could figure out who it is in a blink of an eye.
You could?
Yes, for example, it could be, well, there's... Wicked.
Wicked? Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. She adores me. And really, who can blame her?
So, are you gonna call her?
Ooh, call her! Call her!
Not a chance. She sent me this card so she could call me. On second thought, maybe I'll just check her cybergram.
Hey there! Happy Valentine's Day! But especially to you-know-who!
You see, she posted that video especially for me. I'm going to let Wicked know I figured out her secret admirer game.
Are you sure Wicked's your secret admirer?
Of course I'm sure. Who else could it be?
If you say so, boss.
Da-da-da-dee! Oh, how I love thee!
You hear that? Obviously, she's singing about me.
Oh, definitely.
Must be.
La-da-da-dee-da. Oh, what are you doing here?
Wicked, as you know, today is Valentine's Day.
I know. That's why I made these special Valentine's Day cookies. I suppose you'd like to try them?
I'd love to. Clearly, she made these for me.
Hey, just one. I need to save the rest for the others, you know.
Others? Oh.
Hello?
Fine. You can have one, too.
Now, Wicked, let's discuss this mysterious card that arrived for me this morning. Hello again, Wicked.
You're still here?
I am. Are you happy about that?
Why, yes, I am, Hacky Poo. Here, make yourself useful.
What?
Start by raking those loose thorns over there.
So, tell me, Wicked, is it possible you were near the Grim Reaper today?
As a matter of fact, I was out flying on my broomstick. There is a chance that it is possible that perhaps I may have been close-ish.
Aha! Now, tell me your feelings on hop-up cards.
Oh! You crushed my gloomy gardenias! That's it! You're done!
Oh, sorry.
Just go, before I turn you all into frogs!
Ah, we've been expecting you, Mr. Hacker.
I prefer the Hacker, if you don't mind.
No problem. Follow me.
Not very busy, is it?
We're usually very busy, but your host rented the entire garden. Here we are.
Maybe I was wrong. Maybe Wicked isn't my secret admirer. Not that I care. All right, I care. I like having a secret admirer.
Your guests have arrived.
Guests? As in more than one?
Surprise, boss!
Happy Valentine's Day!
What are you doing here?
We're your secret admirer.
Yeah, both of us. We wanted to show you how much we appreciate you.
Let me get this straight. I went all the way to Wicked's castle.
Yep.
I stood there under her window.
Uh-huh.
I raked her garden.
Yes!
And now you're saying my secret admirer is not Wicked after all, but the two of you? Actually, it's rather sweet. Oh, come here, you little goofballs.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.